Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a underlined color opacities in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file or Wondershare PDF element and I'll change this underlined color opacity. Click this comment option and select this down underline and select this underline. Now click on this underline and select and this properties option, and here you will find this opacities and see this underline color opacity now says that also select this underline, click this underline and select and click here and this opacity and see this. In this way you can change the underline color opacity. Also change this one and this is, see this. In this way you can change your underline color opacities and also increase, decrease and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.